Good morning. It is Monday, February 2nd, 2026 at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Tech News. The artificial intelligence landscape continues to evolve rapidly with the emergence of new AI note-taking hardware devices designed to record, transcribe, and summarize meetings, even offering live translation capabilities. This development signals a growing trend towards specialized AI-powered gadgets aimed at enhancing productivity. In a significant move to attract global AI investment, India has announced a zero-tax policy through 2047 for companies establishing AI workloads within the country, a strategy poised to draw major players like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, who are already expanding their data center footprints there. Meanwhile, Indonesia has conditionally lifted its ban on xAI's Grok chatbot, following similar actions by Malaysia and the Philippines, indicating a shifting regulatory environment for AI services in Southeast Asia. On the platform front, TikTok has confirmed the full restoration of its services after an outage attributed to last week's U.S. snowstorm, resolving disruptions for its global user base. The industry is also grappling with a critical discussion surrounding AI washing, as questions arise about whether some recent corporate layoffs are genuinely driven by AI integration, or if the technology is being used as a convenient justification for broader workforce reductions. This debate underscores the need for transparency as AI continues to reshape employment dynamics. Furthermore, the mobility sector saw Tesla undergoing a significant rebranding effort, reflecting broader strategic shifts within the electric vehicle giant. Business news. Global markets are exhibiting caution this morning, with Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq futures declining amid a gold sell-off and increasing investor doubts surrounding the immediate impact and valuation of artificial intelligence companies. Oracle's shares experienced a downturn as investors scrutinized the details of its ambitious plan to invest up to $50 billion into AI initiatives, highlighting market sensitivity to large-scale tech investments. Adding to the AI investment narrative, reports indicate that Nvidia's proposed $100 billion investment in OpenAI has encountered significant concerns, potentially stalling the high-profile collaboration. In the pharmaceutical sector, Eli Lilly's CEO suggested that Medicare coverage for obesity drugs could be a transformative development for its weight loss medications, signaling a potential expansion of a lucrative market. Elsewhere, a major partnership has been forged as Schroders, Catel, and Lockpine signed a memorandum of understanding for new European battery energy storage system projects, underscoring a continued push towards renewable energy infrastructure. Bitcoin, a bellwether for the broader cryptocurrency market, is currently hovering near $77,000, with analysts noting that a broader downtrend remains intact. In the energy sector, SM Energy has successfully completed an all-stock merger with Civitas, consolidating operations within the industry. World news. A partial U.S. government shutdown has entered its third day as a funding standoff persists in Washington. Democrats are advocating for changes in the Department of Homeland Security's funding, prompted by recent fatal shootings of 2 U.S. citizens during immigration raids, intensifying the political gridlock. In the Middle East, Israel has reopened the Rafah border crossing with Egypt, a crucial humanitarian corridor for Gaza, though movement remains limited to dozens of Palestinians and no goods daily. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine saw a tragic development, with 12 miners reportedly killed by a Russian strike near a bus carrying workers. On the diplomatic front, the United States is signaling a shift in its foreign policy towards West Africa, indicating a willingness to engage with the juntas in Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, despite their recent alignment with Russia. This marks a departure from previous stances prioritizing democratic transitions. In Central America, Costa Rica has elected a new president known for a tough-on-crime platform, reflecting public concern over rising organized crime. Furthermore, 80 kidnapped Nigerians have safely returned home after escaping their captors, who had seized 177 individuals from 3 churches last month in Kaduna State. In Asia, China has carried out the execution of 4 more members of the Bai family mafia, a group notorious for operating scam centers in Myanmar as part of a broader crackdown on cross-border criminal enterprises. That is your briefing for today. Stay focused.